Because when they asked the same question of Imam as-Sadiq, what did he say? They asked him, they said, Ya Ja'far ibn Muhammad, is it true that a mu'min leaves this world when he doesn't want to leave this world? Is he ever forced to leave this world? Is that true? The sixth Imam said, no, it's not possible. He said, Yabna Rasulullah, we see so many people, they didn't want to die, and then they died, they left us. What do you mean it's not possible? He said, no, you don't understand what's happening. When this person is about to leave this world and Malakul Maut comes to him, and this person initially he feels frightened a little bit. Initially he starts to get worried. Death, it's unknown to him in the way this world is known to him. And he gets worried, and then Malakul Maut turns to him and says this, إِنَّهُ إِذَا أَتَاهُ مَلِكُ الْمَوْتِ لِقَبْضِ رُوحِهِ جَزِعَ. He gets worried, but then he says this, فَيَقُولُ لَهُ مَلَكُ الْمَوْتِ. And then Malakul Maut says this, يَا وَلِيَّ اللَّهِ لَا تَجْزَعَ. You are a friend of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You have nothing to worry about. You have nothing to be concerned about. لَا تَجْزَعَ. And then he says this, فَوَالَّذِي بَعَثَ مُحَمَّدًا. By the one who sent Muhammad as his messenger. لَأَنَا أَبَرُّ بِكَ وَأَشْفَقُ عَلَيْكَ مِنْ وَالِدٍ رَحِيمٍ لَوْ حَضَرَكَ. He says, listen, in this world you had parents who used to take care of you. By Allah, by the one who sent Muhammad as his messenger, I'm going to be kinder to you than your own parents. You have nothing to worry about. And then the hadith continues. And Imam as-Sadiq says that then he sees the Prophet, and he sees Ali ibn Abi Talib, and he says Fatima and Hassan and Hussein, and then he himself chooses to leave this world. He himself says, I want to be with them. Now imagine a father who looks at his child and is worried about his child, and then Imam as-Sadiq comes and tells him, you can be calm. You have nothing to worry about, because that Malakul Maut and the Prophet and the Ahlul Bayt who are going to be with him, أَبَرُّ بِكَ مِنْ وَالِدٍ رَحِيمٍ. They are going to be kinder to him than his own parents. You have nothing to worry about. You have nothing to worry about when it comes to your loved ones. So they're in a very good place.